superstar, with Tamil Nadu politics heating up by the day ahead of the assembly polls in 2021. Superstar Rajinikanth is expected to announce the launching date of his political party on December 31st. According to sources, the launching date is most likely to be either Pongal on January 14th or on MGR's birthday, which is on January 17th. Sources also suggest that the event will be low profile and shall be conducted virtually, keeping the superstar's health condition in mind. Well, we know Rajinikanth was hospitalized in Hyderabad last week due to irregular blood pressure, and he was discharged on Sunday itself. Political analyst PKD Nambiar joins me on the broadcast here with more on this. Mr. Nambiar, thank you so much for speaking to India Ahead News. Mr. Nambiar, what do you expect? What are we expecting here? Rajinikanth has been advised complete bed rest for the next 1 week by the doctors. He's just recovered, and his ambitions, his plans for launching his party on December 31st itself. Do you see that happening?
Well, I think Rajinikanth is not only confused, he is confused completely for himself and also confusing the entire politicos and the public at large.
Okay.
It took almost 3 years for him to finally announce that he is going to plunge into the political career, which has been there are a lot of speculation over the last 3.5 years that yes, he may get in, he will get in, or what is the right time, etc., etc. But then finally, when he has taken that decision, you can see a lot of ifs and buts in his all the statements. So Rajinikanth, as a silver screen hero, have been greatly successful so far. As far as his political career, the beginning of the political career is concerned, it has been an utter failure. According to me, the reason being that you see, as a politician, you need to be connected with the people on a day and day out.
Yes.
Politics is 65 days, 24/7 activity. It is not like that once in a while you give an appearance and you send a statement. That is not really the way politics today happens. We need to understand today we are living in an era of the leadership like of Narendra Modi, wherein you are seeing a leader 24/7 on the screen, to the Twitter, to the Facebook, or physically in every word. Wherein the case of Rajinikanth, if you really look at it from the last 6 months, how many appearances he had given it to the people?
Okay, Mr. Nambiar, I do understand. Yes, it would be really difficult to make a comparison between Prime Minister Modi and Rajinikanth, at this point in time. But yes, don't you think the clout and the popularity that he enjoys, that Rajinikanth enjoys in the state of Tamil Nadu, most importantly, would not make things so difficult for him going forward?
I will tell you, see, as a Rajinikanth, as a hero, he is not only just popular in Tamil Nadu, but he is also popular in the entire India.
Of course.
Some of his movies have been so popular across India.
Yes, but I'm focusing on Tamil Nadu. I'm just focusing on Tamil Nadu at this point in time because of the elections, because he wants to make his political innings there.
I'll tell you, how do you judge a political career of a person? He hasn't done anything till today. So if at all you wanted to use some of the examples of the earlier, like whether it is a Jayalalitha or an NTR, they were actively into politics before they got into the electoral politics.
Right.
It was not something like in one fine day you took a decision that I wanted to be the chief minister of the state from tomorrow. That is not the real way in 2020 the politics works. Today, a normal person like you and me, a normal citizen, do understand the difference between a silver screen hero and a political hero who is supposed to give you a good governance. So the difference is very, very visible or clearly understandable for the people today. I think one of the biggest mistakes Rajinikanth is making is that he is confusing the people. Whether even now, when you and me are talking on this show, we still feel that will it happen? Or when will it happen? Will it happen on 31st? Will it happen on January 13th or 17th? So we are still confused. The elections are just not even 4 months away.
Right.
So in fact, the AIDMK is asking for an early election in the month of April. There are only just 3 months left.
Okay, so he doesn't have much time in his hand. He doesn't have much time in his hand. Yes. Yes, of course, and to make that connect with the people, of course, as you are saying that being a superstar and being a politician are two different things, and we very well understand that. The people of Tamil Nadu also very well would understand that, and there is not much time left for Rajnikant. If he has to make this start, if he has to, make his party official, he has to do it now, or it might be too late. Thank you so much, Mr. Nambiar, for joining us here and sharing your views. Now we have